Hello, friends. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe wherever you're watching from. Welcome back to our channel, Treasure Town. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Your support means a lot. It helps this channel grow and allows us to continue bringing you fascinating stories hidden inside ordinary coins. Friends, let me ask you something. Have you ever imagined that a small, ordinary-looking coin could change someone's life? A coin you might have ignored, spent, or dropped into a jar without a second thought. Believe it or not, there are coins that were once worth just a few cents, forgotten by almost everyone. Today, some of those same coins are worth thousands of dollars, and in rare cases, even more. If you have never heard stories like this before, stay with me, because today's story may completely change the way you look at your pocket change. Let us travel back in time. Picture America in 1944. The world was deep in the chaos of World War II. Soldiers were fighting across Europe and the Pacific. Factories were running non-stop, and families back home lived with uncertainty, hope, and sacrifice. Everything in the country was focused on one goal: victory. Even something as small as a penny became part of that war effort. And in the middle of all this history was a simple coin, the 1944 D. Lincoln wheat penny. At first glance, it looks ordinary. A small copper-colored cent with Abraham Lincoln on the front and wheat stalks on the back. But this coin is far more than metal. It is a silent witness to one of the most intense years in human history. The D. Mint mark tells us it was made in Denver. In 1944 alone, the Denver Mint produced over 400 million of these pennies. They moved across America in pockets, cash registers, lunch counters, and train stations, becoming part of everyday life. But to understand this coin, we need to go back just 1 year earlier. In 1943, America faced a serious problem. Copper was urgently needed for the war, so the U.S. Mint stopped using bronze and made pennies from steel coated with zinc. These steel cents looked unusual, almost silver in color, and quickly became unpopular. They rusted, confused people, and didn't feel like real pennies. So in 1944, the Mint returned to copper-based coins, but with a twist. Much of the metal came from recycled wartime materials, including spent shell casings. Think about that. A bullet casing fired during war could later be melted down and turned into a penny used to buy candy or a newspaper. A direct connection between the battlefield and everyday American life. The design itself was already familiar. Abraham Lincoln's portrait on the front, with the words "In God We Trust, Liberty," and the date 1944. On the back, wheat stalks framed the words 1 cent and United States of America. It was a design Americans had seen for decades, first introduced in 1909. During the war, the Denver Mint worked at full speed. Millions of coins were struck and sent into circulation. A single 1944 D penny could pass through dozens of hands in just a few weeks. A soldier might carry it on leave, a child might receive it as change, and a shopkeeper might reuse it again the same day. Most people never notice these pennies. But today, collectors see something different. The 1944 D cent is known for its strong production quality. Many examples survive in excellent condition, especially those with bright, original red color. While common in circulated form, higher-grade pieces are still valued by collectors. And then come the fascinating varieties. Some coins show a D over S mint mark, where a Denver mark was stamped over a San Francisco one. Others show repunched mint marks, small but interesting errors made during hand-punching. These details turn an ordinary penny into something special. Even more famous are the rare mistakes. A few leftover steel blanks from 1943 accidentally got struck with 1944 designs. These rare steel 1944 pennies are among the most valuable Lincoln cents ever discovered. Just a handful exist, and they remain legendary in the coin world. But the real beauty of a 1944 D penny is not just rarity or value. It is history. This coin has traveled through time. It saw the end of World War II, the rise of modern America, the space age, and the digital world. It may have sat in a pocket during a soldier's return home or rested in a cash register during the post-war boom. We can never know its exact journey, and that is what makes it powerful. Every scratch on its surface is a reminder of real people, real moments, and a nation changing forever. Today, the 1944 D. Lincoln wheat penny still shows up in collections, coin jars, and estate finds. Most are worth only a little above face value, but their true worth is not measured in money. It is measured in memory, because this small coin tells a big story, a story of war and recovery, of sacrifice and industry, of millions of ordinary Americans living through extraordinary times. And in the end, the 1944 D. Lincoln wheat penny is more than just a piece of history. It is a reminder that even the smallest objects can carry the weight of an entire era. So next time you see an old penny, don't ignore it. You might just be holding a quiet survivor from one of the most important years in history.